All right, good morning. Just received my package from BodyMe, organic protein bars. Nutrition is super important for me on my runs. Basically tired of eating gels and heaps of sugar and chemically based products, so I'm looking forward to something a little bit more pure, clean, organic, and vegan. So I'm going to take these on my run and check them out, and I'll let you know what I think. All right, just finished my 50-kilometer run on the Berlin Wall Trail. Thanks to BodyMe. Had a few of these along the way, and they kept me fit, kept me going, gave me some energy, and they were the perfect bar for me to have on my run. So thanks a lot, guys. Cheers for that. Got me through another 50K. Over and out. Day number 2. So I am running the Berlin Wall Trail. Yesterday we did 56 kilometers. Today we got about 50. And yesterday powered by BodyMe. They're absolutely perfect. Lightweight and extremely tasty. I can highly recommend them for your runs, long bike rides, or any sort of endurance feats. So I'm going to take some more with me today and see how we go. Day 3 after 2 last days of 106 kilometers. So I'm in kilometer 10. I'm gonna keep pushing on and see how far we come today. So thanks to BodyMe for fueling this epic, so far, 3-day run. I'm right now in the middle of running 250 kilometers, powered by BodyMe. Thanks to them, it's gonna keep me fueled, lightweight, compact, and it's doing me so far so good. So we'll just keep moving, forward, forward, forward.